Hey Mark, I'm just going to attempt to video this rather than try and write it down. There's a lot of silicon everywhere where all these wires have broken off over the years. So we'll deal with this BC239, whoops, first of all. So that is the flat towards us, and we have got brown, white, black. The black one goes to here, and that is, I think that's probably the third pad in. You can see there which one it's on, hopefully. That's the black one. The white one goes off to this one here. It's the middle of the three wires. Again, hard to see exactly which way. It must be on the second pin in, I would think. Yeah, it must be. That leaves the brown, which used to go onto this connection here, but that's broken off so many times I've actually soldered it directly onto there. So that's that taken care of. 3 wires for that. I'll show you the clip. Now I've got a little scratch mark on the end. I can't touch it, just in there. You can see a little burnt mark. Well, that's the left side of the chip with pin 1 at the end. So the clip goes on to the chip that way, with the chip circle, you know, uppermost. So what I'm saying on the left here is pin 1. In my case, we've then got red, blue, green and white, and on the other side we've got, try and get it in the light, what a mess, we've got a purple, a yellow, black and a brown, and then they go off here, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there, 6, 7, the purpley colour one, and the white one goes next to the other white one. So hopefully that will give you the correct layout. Got a bit of a heat burn on this already. It's been on for years and years. Occasionally I just change the shield. Yeah, so hopefully that will help. I'm trying to show everything possible. And again, let me just make absolutely sure we're talking about the chip being round the same way. Whoops. So with the chip with the little circular mark, let's see if we can get this in the sun. So with the chip that way, the little mark in the probe, where the bloody hell is it? There we go. See if I can do this. So then, oh no, I'm not going to be able to do it that way because of the sun. So the chip is there, the, God's sake, the probe has got the mark, and that clips on that way round. Okay, and then we've got those pins that side, and on the other side of those. Hopefully that will be enough for you to work that out. Sorry for not getting this written out, but I woke up with a migraine. I've had one yesterday, I've had one the day before. It just leaves you, well, just not feeling right at all. It's like having a little stroke. You can't even think straight. Absolutely horrible. Anyway, so yeah, there we go. Hopefully that will do the job.